So we have 3 worksheets and we want to hide 2 of them. The simplest way is to right click on each and select hide. This does a basic job of getting them out of view. But if we right click on the other tab and select unhide, those worksheets appear in the list, so can be easily unhidden. However, there is a way of hiding worksheets from the unhide window. Open the VBA editor, select the first sheet and you'll see a set of properties with a drop down for visibility. The first is set to the default option Excel Sheet Visible. The second and third ones though are on Excel Sheet Hidden, which makes sense because we just hid these. But there's another option, Excel Sheet Very Hidden. Let's set the third worksheet to this. Back in the main window, right click on the Only tab and select Unhide. You can see that now only the second worksheet displays in the list. This option is only available in the VBA editor. So hiding worksheets is a basic way of decluttering your workspace and reducing distraction. However, you should never use it for highly sensitive or confidential data. If that's the case, don't think Excel's password protection is the solution either. Take it out of the workbook you're sharing and store it in a separate one.